Alright, what is going on, guys? My name is Brian, and today we're going to be making the Irish trash can to celebrate St. Patrick's Day. This is how you make one, and I'll have the list of the ingredients down below. We're going to start by adding half an ounce of blue curacao into our glass. Now we're going to drop some ice in there. You probably want to use a scooper, but I just washed my hands, so I guess it's okay. Now we're going to add half an ounce of vodka. Some clear rum. Some gin. Some peach schnapps. And then some triple sec. Now we're going to open our Red Bull and leave it in the glass. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Irish trash can. I hope you guys enjoy. Hey, so if you guys like this video, please drop a like, comment, and subscribe below. Doing so helps out the YouTube algorithm and pushes this video to a wider audience. Let me know in the comment section below which drink is your favorite, and I'll do my best to feature in a future video. Thanks for watching.